let's take a look at stickers. And we all love stickers. Love them, love them, love them. And we offer a bunch of different sticker kits. I'm going to go through all of them for you. And these are from our Willow line with artwork created for us by Linou's Pots. And we love Line's artwork. She does a beautiful, beautiful job. And these stickers are adorable. So we're going to start out with the memory keeping sticker kit. You get this small sheet of vellum little sayings. These work great as if you combine them with larger alphas to create titles or just little captions on photos. Those work really, really well. You have a sheet with the squares and some of the labels. There's some great sayings, some date stickers, some sticker strips on there. Love the large Willow sticker. These are just all decorative. There's a great green alpha. Love that. And then, of course, you get the vellum sheet with the quotes and sayings, and then some of the little watercolor bits, which are great for layering. That is the memory keeping sticker kit. The planner sticker kit, you get the vellum dots for tracking things. You get a sheet of decorative. There's a vellum sheet with kind of like washi strips and the great little highlighter watercolor swooshes, as I call them. Some fun shapes. There's some little headers or reminders, and then your fun little icon. These are great for planning. Little reminders on there. Some of the smaller boxes and the strips. Your trackers, dates, the great hydrate trackers, more trackers, and quarters and halves, and some of the more little phrase stickers. And that is the planner sticker kit. Then we have our Daisy add-on sticker kit, and this is really meant to just be a sticker kit for anything, whatever you want to use it for, whether it's just for fun stationery, journaling, planning, memory keeping. You can use these really honestly for anything at all. There's your cute little decorative stickers, some fun little phrases, some great shapes and labels. There's a vellum sheet here with, again, some of the sayings, the strips, and then a beautiful kind of ombre effect alpha with all of the numbers, which I love that as well. Very handy. And then we have our Bible journaling sticker kit. And that has a bunch of the sticker strips, the dates, some great labels and shapes, a beautiful blue alpha, and then one of the vellum sheets with the scripture, and then some of the, just the watercolor and the strips, decorative sheet there as well. And then some more phrases and some of the smaller little label boxes. And that is our Bible journaling sticker kit. And then we have our calendar and our Daisy weeks. So these are two separate sticker kits. They work really well in our weeks booklet, or if you have a Hobonichi weeks, they will work in there as well. So the calendar one has the dates, the days of the week, some of the little reminders, some of the little boxes. There's a few little, they have the March on there, the little icons. I love this little itty bitty little March tag. That one's cute. We have first day of spring, cannot wait. And then the Daisy Weeks sticker kit has some of the boxes, little trackers, little headers. There's your days of the week and the icons. And then you have these set up as well. Love those. And then your vellum sheet that will fit perfectly as well. And they have the cute little washi and the little sayings. There's the tiny little dates and the strips. And that is the Daisy Weeks sticker kit. And then last but not least, we have our classic cousin sticker kit. You have the decorative, a few little sayings on there. You have the days of the week. There's enough for a whole month. Some of the little headers, icons, a great vellum sheet again. I love those little tadpoles. And then some of the rectangles or boxes, some more of those. And then you have some of the trackers and then your little reminder stickers. There's a great alpha on here, some strips and some dates. And that is a look at all of the Willow collection sticker kits. Let's take a look at some of the extras or bits and bobs that we have in our Willow collection. And the Willows collection we always have of these extra things that you can add, that you can subscribe to, that kind of work with anything. And that is a Washi Trio. We have a beautiful 4x6 stamp subscription. You can subscribe to our pouch. Sometimes it's cloth, sometimes it's plastic, and our dashboards. So these are all fun options that if you want a little something extra, you can do that with these. So the first thing I have here is our Washi Trio. You will always get 3 washi tapes, and it is usually one of these is going to be from the planner kit. The other 2, it's kind of a mix, it's kind of a variety. So I can't say for sure that it will or will not be from one thing in particular, but you always get 3, and there's usually a variety of sizes. So in this month's Washi Trio, you get this beautiful thin stripe. That's one of them. The adorable dragonflies on the yellow background. Isn't that cute? And then the little pond scene with our little froggies. Super cute. Little guy sitting on the rock. Love that. So that is the Washi Trio. And again, that is something that you can subscribe to all on its own. We have a 4x6 stamp set, and this theme or what is on this changes every single month. So it's a great variety. Because we love Line's artwork so much, of course, we had to include that in our 4x6 stamp set. And as always, I do a stamping video where I show you some great ways to layer and use the stamps. Make sure you check that out. This one especially, you can build so many fun scenes from this stamp set. So that is the 4x6 stamp subscription. And then we have our pouch. And this month it is a cloth pouch, and it has that great pond scene with the adorable little froggies on there. And then on the front, it has all of the little friends together under the willow tree. It has a yellow tassel, gold hardware, and then the interior is just a plain white. So it's a beautiful, heavy-duty, nice pouch. People love these, obviously, for pens and so on, but they work great for cosmetics. If you want to throw that in your purse to kind of just rally some stuff together, you can do that as well. And then we have our dashboard set. And the dashboard set has A5 and personal. You get both. I love to use both in my planner. Some of these are so fun and pretty that you could almost just frame them and switch them out. Obviously, you can use them for dashboards. I sometimes cut them down and turn them into bookmarks as well. A lot of different ways that you can use these. But then that is the A5, and then you also get the personal size. So you can use both together. You can use them separately. How cute is that? So that is a look at some of the extras, subs that we offer in the Willows collection.